Meditation. First technique of playing meditation. Anybody ask you a question because of their mistake, don't persecute them. Somebody asks you a question, hey, how are you? Sit down, I tell you. And they start telling, this morning when I was coming out of the bathroom, my foot twisted, and then the ankle got swollen, and then the pain, I don't know, it is going right up to the knee. And they start telling you so detailed that the listener starts getting pain in him. See? And because he has done a mistake of asking, how are you? You don't have to take a revenge. See, friends. So what is the first playing meditation? Anybody ask you a question, don't do like here in UK you say, not bad. Be positive. How are you? I am on the top of the world. But it should also sound in that manner. How are you? ठीक है, on the top of the world है. Are you from Bihar? It must come in the letter and spirit. And once you start doing that, you will start experiencing that. See? Because who doesn't have problems in life? Everybody, including the electric post. See? Morning, these people who are led by their dog wants their pillar. He will not go and do Purnamadaha Purnamidam anywhere. He wants his own post. In this manner, when we are able to recognize, the first technique of playing meditation is again and again insist that you are happy. Even if you are not, how does it matter? Who can challenge it? But at least your mode will change. Otherwise, गम उठाने के लिए मैं तो जिए जा मरो फिर. And such people don't die also. See? Either live happily or die happily. See, friends, this attitude is called as meditation. Meditation is not congregational silent suffering. Normally they sit together, let us have meditation. And then, switch off the lights. Why light switch off? Is meditation a bad act to be done in the darkness? No, but everybody says, meditation, switch off the light. What is the reason? The reason could be both the teacher and the student can enjoy good sleep. And when the period is over, everybody is awakened from the sleep, not from the ignorance. So let us play meditation is this. Remain all the time happy, even if you are not. Insist that you are happy. See. Now second thing. When you are happy, you are nobody. See. When are we happiest? We are happiest when we are in deep sleep, snoring away. That time we are happiest. And that time we are nobody. So whenever we are happy, to observe this in your own heart. When you blast out in laughter, that time, for a fraction of moment, you will come to know that you have understood the meaning of Mr. Nobody. One example I will tell you right away. There was one Sardarji. He went in a market, and on his shoulder there was a parrot sitting. And somebody asked him, to that Sardarji, hey, where from this animal you got? And the parrot answered, from Punjab. Now tell me, in this happy moment, you are a man or woman, young or old, rich or poor, in-law or outlaw? Nothing. This is called as living in meditation. See? Meditation is not only, Swamiji, in half an hour in the morning, I do meditation. And thereafter, frustration. And then the argument is, Swamiji, कल का meditation जमा था, आज का नहीं जमा. Is it ice cream or what? Hey friends. So let us start understanding that as we keep our mode, so is our life. And when somebody is a happy person, don't we like him or her? When somebody is happy, we like. What a joy it will be if you discover that happiness. So this is one meditation. Don't struggle in sitting in a cross-legged position and then, but why we have to sit in a cross-legged position? Can we do meditation in Shavasana? You need not do meditation. Meditation happens. See? This is one. Now the second simple technique of meditation is that remain as long as possible during your whole day except driving. When you are sitting for 5 minutes, just play that time. Next 5 minutes, I am nobody. Play. This 5 minutes of meditation will empower you for next 5 hours. Otherwise, there is a big problem. Swamiji, when I do pranayam, no, after that, I get stomach ache. What should I do? You must be doing pranayam with the esophagus. Do pranayam with the trachea, then there won't be any problem. So, you are always cheerful, happy, you are effortless. Next thing in meditation, to bring out the real I that we are. The real I is effortless existence in this world. We are all struggling to prove something to somebody. Alas, we don't know what we want to prove and to whom and for what. See? We don't have to prove anything to anybody in this world. Be yourself. But we try to be goody. And in that goody thing, we are deceiving ourselves. See, friends. In this effortless lifestyle, the bliss becomes manifest. Next point, to bring out the natural happiness that we are, is when we are no more carrying the load of desire fulfillment on our head. Lesser the choice we give to ourselves, more happier we are. See? One lady got an invitation to go for a marriage to be held on 31st of December 2009. And she was standing before her wardrobe on 1st January 2009 and thinking, because there are so many saris and biris and everything, whether I should put on this thing. No, if I put on this, people will think, that I have got only one sari. No, not this one. But this I had put in the Lions Club meeting. This one. No, this I had put in Rotary Club meeting. Or this one, I went for Garbha with this one. No. As if people are keeping note of our clothes. They have got better things to do. See? Contrary to that, take our life. Going to bathroom, same lungi and shirt. Going to the temple, same lungi and shirt. Going to a funeral, same lungi and shirt. Going to a marriage, same lungi and shirt. See? Lesser the choice you give, happier you are.